Adventures and sea. Hi. How's it going? Kennedy, look. Kennedy's. Oh, they're gorgeous. Yeah, we're making 2 videos. We're gonna upload it on our channels. I know I have a channel. Keep them over here.
We're not.
Anything?
Alright, that's boring. Okay.
Oh, well. Oh, man. That was stupid.
That would do. No.
We're coming.
We don't have any service.
Nope, we don't. Stop face! And then just a single take
There is
one.
a Pokestop over there by Cloverdale, but the Wi-Fi. That's where we're going.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the Wi-Fi.
We're in the public Jersey library.
Oh yeah, I know. I saw the sign.
Yeah, we saw.
It's also a Pokestop.
Pokestop!
Where?
Okay, I'm here with my little sister right there. My other little sister. My friend's sister. Hi, what's up? Gonna go on my channel. Fire27 Gamer. Fire27 Gamer. Subscribe to me if you want more of this.
Subscribe for more. Why are you a gamer if you don't make gaming videos?
I'm gonna in the future when I get better equipment. Thank you very much. A phone.
Equipment.
A phone.
Juju and Abby. Juju and Abby. People.
Hurry up! Shut up! You shut up!
Why is everybody recorded?
Oh
In the blues. Yeah, blue one too.
no! We all have blue ones!
Riley in the blue. Juju and Abby.
Kennedy in the...
Juju and Abby.
Kennedy in the blue shirt!
Okay, watch this. Hey guys.
Okay guys, konnichiwa, Fire27 here, on Moisture, whatever that's coming.
You said konnichiwa. Come on, Anna.
I'm speaking Japanese here!
That's the only way to know Japanese. Last time you spoke Japanese, you had to do 10 push-ups.
Ah, I suck at them.
No, you actually did, and you couldn't do it.
I suck at them! I just admitted it!
To the park.
Yeah.
Admitted it to everybody.
We live really close to the park. We live on like... We go to Cloverdale Park. It's literally up our street.
Hey, guys, anybody that heard that, come to our house.
Yeah. Wait, what? 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 I will not tell. They do not know the address. Thank goodness. But they do know that they live up the street. Hold on. Cloverdale Park. Senpai. Okay. Senpai. Okay, do not stand in the road.
I told him not to. Really?
Stepping into weeds.
We're waiting. We're going
to play Cosy Road again.
We're
without a kid.
It's such a gorgeous sign.
Without a tiny kid.
Wait. Addie?
Crossy Road.
None there.
Crossy Road.
One coming.
It's Crossy Road over
Aye.
again. Yeah, Crossy Road.
Crossy Road.
Run.
Is it turning? Oh, she said we can go. I don't know why we're running.
Everybody don't walk down this hill. I should have brought my... What?
What up? Oh my god, I almost died. Just kidding. Look at the senpai.
This is our senpai.
This is our senpai. Senpai. What?
Hello, my name's Sissy.
And nobody cares.
Follow me on Swim Sissy on Musically. Follow me on... I'm trying to get 1,000. Don't follow them.
Exactly. They're gonna come to your house and kill you. Check it.
Nobody's probably watching Musically. Guys, nobody's probably watching this anyway, so.
Yeah. Who knows?
It's so cold. Hi. So cold. You know what's so
Just go skipping and down the road. Skipping. And we just saw the ranger. We just saw the ranger. Leaves. The sun.
I don't want to fall like I did.
Yeah.
I went to the park today. I went to the Apco.
Yeah.
And Romeo, he was like... I live down the street from the Apco. Me too. Fun fact. Does you do?
Yeah, she does.
Fun fact.
Fun fact.
She does too. Wait, okay, hold on. No, she doesn't. I live down the street.
She's in our Kennedy's in our neighborhood.
Not really. You live in like... What?
We live on Carson Trail.
I
We live in like in the Apsco territory. Hamster territory. That's what you want to call it.
We're at the park. I'm going into the lake. Okay, I'm trying to.
Be careful. Don't fall in and die.
Don't die.
No, right? What?
So,
What a place.
as I was saying,
Like you were saying.
I went to the park already today,
Yeah.
and I went to Neapco.
Yeah.
Nobody was there, so we were like just enjoying it.
Peaceful.
Alright, so we were like, okay, so before we left.